Hi, I'm Kurt with LifterLMS, and in this video, I want to welcome you to our course on how to optimize SCORM in WordPress using LifterLMS. Now, this course is available for people of all skill levels, so there's really no prerequisites or predetermined level of expertise in WordPress to jump in and understand what SCORM is or how to implement it in LifterLMS. But this course will go through those details and show you how to optimize your SCORM content for the best presentation for your students. Now, a couple of things to cover first is if you are new to WordPress, we have a wonderful resource in our academy that's getting started with WordPress and WordPress basics. We also have another course that is the official quick start course to LifterLMS, and I'll link those in the course page here for you so you can go to those directly. Our course here will not duplicate a lot of that information because those resources are available to you as independent courses. Now, when we think about using SCORM in LifterLMS, there's some things I want you to consider. First off, when you take your SCORM material from your custom-built website or from some other platform and you move it to WordPress powered by LifterLMS, you're going to have a fully functional SCORM package. The other thing is that there's no loss of legacy content. One of the things that we might hear is you might have some dated SCORM content that has an older format or a dated appearance or a dated look. Now, moving it to WordPress isn't going to instantly update the content or the look of your SCORM content, but it's still going to be able to play inside your new WordPress site. So you don't have to worry about losing any of your legacy content. And in fact, I've got some strategies on how to use legacy content in addition to a more modern content that you might add to your system at a later date. The other thing to think about is the added flexibility that WordPress is going to give you as what they call a CMS, content management system. You see a lot of people that use SCORM, they have a SCORM specific website, and then they have a marketing website, and then they might have a CRM tool or a CRM website. And then they might have an intranet for their internal employees to go through to access different tools in that way. You see, when you use WordPress, you're actually using a content management system so that over time, you could have your LMS, your CRM, your marketing material, your sales material, your lead magnets, those could all be consolidated into one property. And in some cases, that would be an absolute blessing to a lot of enterprise-related clients. The other thing to think about is costs. Typically, we see people come to us that may have spent, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 on a purpose-built SCORM LMS website. Well, when you take a look at your hosting for WordPress and the cost of LifterLMS, you know that you can greatly reduce your expenses and your budget if you're looking to run your SCORM material. The other thing is LifterLMS comes natively with membership tools. We're the best WordPress-oriented learning management system because we're kind of an all-in-one shop. We have the learning management, we have the membership management, and we piggyback on top of that content management system process that gives you access to run everything through that one property like I described before. And that's not all. As you begin to grow and expand your SCORM content or your learning management system, you may find that you have room for maybe running groups of learners or running cohorts. So you're running classes at the same time for synchronous learning versus asynchronous learning. Or you might have an example where you want your students to be able to communicate with each other. And we have a tool called social learning that helps empower that. So thinking about where you are in your SCORM journey, and then thinking about where you could go in your SCORM journey, our hope is that after you take this course and we show you all of the secrets about how to implement your SCORM content in WordPress using LifterLMS, we hope that you're going to be excited, enthusiastic, and ready to jump on board with us here at LifterLMS. Again, my name is Kurt. I'll see you in the lessons below. And don't forget, we've got those resources over in our course page that you can click on if you need an introduction to WordPress or an introduction to LifterLMS in general. before getting to the SCORM content. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the inside.